Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and we got another vehicle walk-around tour. Today we're going to be highlighting the 2022 Mercedes AMG C43. This vehicle for sale comes in a white exterior. We've got a beige interior. And we're going to walk you through some of the features here in this video. And of course, if you're interested in learning more, you can always reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com. So you can see our two-tone gray and beige interior here. We've got power heated and ventilated memory seats. We've got this nice wood grain accent trim throughout the vehicle as well. We also have the premium Burmester sound system upgraded speaker package. Got our driver's seat here. Our flat bottom AMG styled steering wheel. And let's go ahead and hop inside. Mileage 2,726 as of today. We've got a push button ignition. And here we have our center console here. Here we have our radio, backup camera. And you can control the display using your steering wheel controls here. You also have a touchpad here, as well as a dial for making selections. Okay, below our display we have our climate controls here. Also have a menu here to show an overview of your climate settings. Got some quick access buttons here to quickly access radio, media, and so on. Cup holders, power adapter there. We've got our dynamic select switch here, so you'll select different performance modes, which will affect how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. And we have our shifter over here. Also have our convertible controls right here, so we can actually open and close the top. So I'm just holding that button there, and then that's going to slowly close the top here. Perfect. Hit this button here to quickly raise all of your windows. And same thing in reverse to open them up again. This one here is a bug shield, so if we actually go ahead and open up our top one more time, I'll show you how that works here next. Perfect. And then so when I hit this button here, you're going to notice a windshield's going to pop up here, as well as back here. Okay. Go ahead and hop out, show you a few more things here. All right. So we've got our rear seats here. You can quickly access them just by pulling that lever there. The seat will automatically move up to make it easy to get to the back seats. And then it'll automatically go back in place based on your memory settings. Then show you the trunk next. We've got a little switch right here to open the trunk. And there's our trunk space. So once again, this is the 2022 Mercedes-Benz AMG C43. And if you're interested in learning more about the vehicle or even setting up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.